Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to a very interesting session from the Outreach Collective. This is your host for tonight, Ankur Pura. I'm the co-founder of TOC. I'm very happy to welcome back Professor Amar Singh from Shoolini University for a very interesting and relevant session on AI and emerging technologies. We hosted, we had many of us attended his session at the Shoolini retreat, wherein he opened our eyes to what is exactly AI and how is it impacting each and every aspect of our lives. I One of the things that I liked about his session as a layman who only knew ChatGPT as an AI tool to be used, and that also I will be very honest, I'm not really adapt at using it. But after attending his session, it opened the possibilities of the power that AI can give us in doing our jobs better, in living our lives better. There is a lot of talk around, how AI will lead to, a lot of job losses, how, machine learning and AI are going to replace a lot of uh, manual labor oriented jobs or, relevant jobs which require recurring action. So I think that's not the thing right now. I think a lot of jobs that require deep thinking also will be impacted by AI, be it a lawyer or be it a doctor, anybody. I mean, even at a high intellectual capacity where the mankind has to work. I was also recently attending a session a webinar or an online session where I saw Elon Musk talk about AI with Seth Rogen on a podcast where he was asked by Seth, "What is your opinion about AI?" And he said very nonchalantly, I'm now fatalistic, optimistic about AI. And he said, "What do you mean fatalistic?" He said, 2 years back, I was still a little optimist that we can control AI, but now I think we are way past that age where we can control AI. It's just that we should accept AI as part of our day-to-day lives, and the sooner we accept it, the better it is for mankind. So when Elon Musk says this about AI, we understand, the impact that this technology is going to have on each of us. We also recently read in news about how various leading academicians and scientists, especially at Google, raised alarm about AI and its impact, and actually took some drastic steps to make awareness about AI to the various governments around the world. So there are a lot of talk around AI, and I think no better expert than Professor Amar Singh, who opened our eyes to AI in that 90-minute session that he hosted for us at Shoolini. My also sincere gratitude to Shikha from the admissions team at Shoolini for helping us in having Professor Amar Singh back. Thank you, Shikha. And Professor Amar Singh, over to you, sir, for your session.
Thank you so much, Ankur. Thanks a lot. So first of all, I would like to start by saying I am not an expert because I don't know coding. I am not a developer of AI. I'm just another, you can say a layman. So everybody who thinks that AI एक बहुत बड़ी term है, it's very big and complex term for a layman जिनको कुछ नहीं पता, ठीक है? So let us come to the same level, everybody जिन्होंने first time ये experience कर रहे हैं. So this is basically generative AI. So we are not developing anything. We are just using generative AI, right? So we are using whatever technology other people are developing. तो हमें उसका use अच्छी तरह से करना है to the fullest to increase our productivity. That should be the aim before jumping to the conclusion that it is good or bad or it will be banned. So first thing, how to there is nothing which it can help you in. ऐसा कोई field नहीं है जिसमें आपकी help नहीं कर सकता AI, generative AI, chat GPT and other language models are also there. There is cloud too. So other more and more LLMs are coming, large language models are upcoming. So let us start this, and I'll start it by showing you something, or rather there is an audio which I would like you to hear. Let me share my screen. Where is share? Yeah. Share. Presentation नहीं share हो रही.
I made you the co-host, Professor.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. So I'll share the screen directly. I think visible. Okay.
Oh,
Hey, James.
yeah, who's this?
Hey, James. It's Alexander from Tesla Motors. How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty good, my man. How about yourself? You said from Tesla, right? It's the car company?
Yeah, that's right. I'm calling from Tesla Motors, the car company. Did you have any trouble or questions while customizing your car on our website?
No, we're just kind of shopping around and, just taking a look.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Sometimes we're just exploring our options before making a decision, and I totally respect that. Can I ask you why you were looking into a Tesla in the first place?
Yeah, I mean, I've had my car for way too long now, and so I'm kind of taking a look at options. I have a lot of friends who just absolutely rave about Tesla, and me myself, I'm actually a big fan of Elon Musk. So I figured I might as well take a look and kind of explore my options there and see what you guys had available.
That's a smart approach, James. It's always good to explore your options and see what's available. Out of curiosity, what do you currently drive?
Yeah, I drive it's an old Ford Fusion, my man.
Nice, a Ford Fusion. Why are you looking to switch things up and consider a Tesla?
Yeah, I mean, I've had that car since I got my first job years back. And it was just time for a change. So it's like, it's not super reliable anymore. And it's time for an upgrade. I'm moving into the city now. And I just think it's time, while I get the new apartment, might as well get the new car at the same time,
I totally get that, James. Moving to a new apartment is
be 7 o'clock.
great. I'll lock in that time for you. You're all set for a test drive at 7 p.m.
So this is actually air.ai. You can visit this website. This is air.ai. And this in this conversation, Alexander from Tesla Motors booked successfully a visit of a customer, a real person, James, to his service center or test drive company showroom. So Alexander is an AI bot. Alexander was not an human. It was AI. So you saw that it immediately it answers, but there is a latency of 500 milliseconds. So all I can say that we are 500 milliseconds away from making thousands and lakhs of customer service jobs redundant. Immediate impact will be this. If you can, you just go to make an account with your company's email ID, you go and log in and just see what you can do with this. Just explore this. This is an example of AI that is making strides rapidly, not in years. The AI, generative AI space is making strides in months now. Every month it is different. So this was a very old example now where Socrates is talking to Bill Gates. I'll play a couple of seconds.
My dear friend Bill, I see you have brought a device with you today. What purpose does it serve?
Greetings, Socrates. This is a laptop, a marvel of modern technology. It harbors an artificial intelligence that can revolutionize heuristic education.
Interesting.
Imagine a world where students learn at their own.
So here, what's happening is the voice of this Bill is cloned and using text to voice, text to speech. The audio is generated based upon a speech, and from image is animated, and Socrates image is taken and recreated using text to image softwares like Midjourney, which I'll show you briefly. But now the things have taken a giant leap. So I'll show you what is next in terms of text to image technology. So I'll just share the Discord server, my Discord server. Let me go to Discord. So this thing works on Discord. the text to image and
Professor, for
yeah.
somebody like me, a layman, what is Discord? I mean, if we can, what is Discord?
Basically, just like you can say we have WhatsApp, okay, but in WhatsApp it's just social media where you can share things, and in Discord server you can do a lot of things. You just make an account and go over there. You'll be able to understand. You can, like,
Okay.
people are, companies make their own Discord server. They can give challenges. They can give. I'll just show you what I am showing. You'll be able to understand. I have
Okay.
these accounts. I have joined a lot of accounts from Adobe, from Pika, from Midjourney. So you can create a Discord server, and you can create your own also as a company, and you can join anybody else's server. So there are announcements, games, a lot of things are going on in the company. So companies open up their Discord server. Suppose this, I'll show you, this is Adobe Firefly's Discord server. So here you can see announcements, what are the tips and tricks related to this particular software, text to image software, that is. So I'll go to, first of all, how many of you have seen this thing called, I think people are coming in.
Yeah. I'm making that person.
Okay. So how many of you have, if I can see the chat, how many of you have used Chat GPT? Oh, sorry, Midjourney. How many of you have used Midjourney? Yes or no? Just I want Y or N in chat, your chat window. How many of you have heard of Midjourney? How many of you have used Midjourney? A quick Y or N's, a quick from everybody. Just couple of, I think 4 or 5 are there still. Okay, no, yes, no, yes. Okay. So I'll just show you what is Midjourney. If you haven't used, or most of you have not used, okay. So Midjourney is text to image creation software. So you just give the prompt and you can create images based upon that prompt. So see, the people are creating a lot of things in shop. You have to explain or describe what the thing is. Like in shopping malls, Chinese people are busy buying all kind of stuff, shuttling between stores, shopping bags in their hands, low ankle short, 64K HDR. So this is the creations of people. Basically what is happening is this text to image software is creating images based upon your description. So now what has happened is, like Chat GPT is a large language model wherein it has been trained upon 8 million web pages till September 2021. Okay, so 8 million web pages पे उसको train किया गया है. So that means there is a person, आप किसी को बिठाओ और उसको बोलो भाई just this is 8 million web pages, just memorize these and then you are trained. So basically they trained Chat GPT on 8 million web pages, and after getting trained, there is a human who, like me and you, we get trained in our skills, in our knowledge. By gaining knowledge, we gain knowledge and we get trained, right, by utilizing that knowledge. So Chat GPT is trained now. Now when you ask a question, so it gives it out the response. It is not copying it from anywhere. It is basically, it works on the principle of predicting the next word. What is the next? It works on probability, basically. So in the whole of the data which it is trained upon, so what is the probability that is sentence ke after 3 words, what will come? So out of the 4 or 5 options, it selects the best possible option. So that's why it is imperative that you should know how to ask questions, or you should know how to prompt the AI system, how to talk to AI, basically. That is called prompt engineering. So the better the prompt is, it will give a realistic or a good output which you desire. जो आपको prompt जैसा दोगे वैसा आपको output मिलेगा Chat GPT से. And this is text to image software like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly. So here when you describe, it was trained on millions of images basically. कोई इमेज है तो इमेज डिस्क्रिप्शन है उसकी. So now what happens is when you describe things, it generates based upon its training data. Okay, so I'll show you certain examples of C. If you can see this, I'll close this. So see, this is a generated image from Mid Journey. You can see there is nothing, ऐसी कोई machine नहीं बनी है आज तक. This is all fictitious. See this. See, this is imaginary. This is imaginary. This I'll show you. This is something else. Now, which one is AI out of this? Very hard to tell which one is AI. So I'll just tell you which is AI. Right one is AI generated image. So there are a couple of softwares like Midjourney is the best. Then there is Stable Diffusion. Now Stable Diffusion runs upon your own computer system. So you need to have a very good computer system with good graphics card and all such things. So Midjourney runs on cloud, on Midjourney's server. So yeah, so on Midjourney's company's server, it runs on cloud. So we are using Midjourney basically because हमारे पास वैसे system नहीं है अभी. So you know, so this image, so this is also AI generated image. These two images are AI generated, right? And this one, AI or not? AI or not? This image. Yes. AI or not? Chat box. Yes, AI. Anybody else? Those who are attending for the first time. Okay, everybody is spot on, I guess. It is AI. Basically, this was made by a Russian photographer. So who was into photography from 1987. So he won the first prize, went on the stage and just told that this was not clicked by me. Ye image maine nahi banai hai. It is generated by AI. But practically, I cannot make this image because of the intricacies involved. Agar if somebody has to click this picture, he should be able to know what camera to use, what should be the lighting conditions, what are the parameters related to this which gives us this output. The question it will take our jobs is answered here. If you see carefully, I as an engineer, I cannot generate this image even if I know how to use Midjourney. I'll show you. I have generated some images. Why I cannot generate? Because I am not expert in photography. Now for someone to like this picture, देखो इस picture को generate करने के लिए the person had to be expert. Why? You can see he had to describe the facial features actually. Then the light is falling on the one side and the background is blurred. So everything needs to be described and describe वही कर सकता है जिसको knowledge होगी उस field की. So be it writing, be it photography, be it anything, AI is here to help you all, but you need to figure out how to get the help. So this is another use case. So this is another use case. So I have shared earlier also. I quickly pay and I'll show you something new.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this lecture on redefining marketing for 21st century. Today, we'll be discussing the latest trends and best practices in marketing.
So this is my voice recorded in my own office. So I used AI, Adobe Podcast, to make it into a studio quality sound.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this lecture on redefining marketing for 21st century.
So you can see every background noise and hissing noise has been removed in one click. I can show you that software. It is Adobe Podcast AI. You can check it out. You record anywhere. If you are recording, if you are into recording something, you just record anywhere. Obviously, street pe jaake record nahi karna hai. In your room, there may be some noises at the background. So it is good at removing all the noises. So, I'll share an pretty good anecdote here. What happened? I was invited for a podcast into a studio. So what happened was, due to some technical glitch, the whole podcast audio was didn't get recorded. But what I did, I placed my iPhone at some distance. So I thought, let us also video record this event. So my iPhone was placed at, I think, 2-3 feet. So we got the video footage, but audio was very low. So I used Adobe AI and massively improved the quality of audio, and it was sent as a podcast. So AI saved us there, and now we are using this technology in our e-learning video creations. Teachers record करके देते हैं, किसी के पास mic नहीं है ढंग से. So what do we do? अपने convenience पे teachers record. So we take their audio in a video editing software. We take out that audio, we enhance the audio and put it back. So it gets a studio quality sound, right? So now this is the third thing which I'll show you. What's going on over here.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to this lecture on redefining marketing for the 21st century. Today,
so if you see carefully, this is also my voice. This is also my voice, but this has been cloned. I have cloned my voice. See,
we'll be discussing the latest trends and best practices in marketing and how they.
So this was my original voice. Sorry.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to this lecture on redefining.
And this is my cloned voice.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to this lecture on redefining marketing for the 21st century. Today, we'll be discussing the latest trends and best practices in marketing.
So what is going on is, now to create content, the next level thing which is going on is, you clone anybody's voice. You can create your own avatar using a software. You can create your own avatar and you paste the transcript. That avatar will speak using that transcript in your own voice. So I think if I can, I'll just quickly show you. This is integrated into your chat GPT also. There is so much there to show, but it won't be possible to cover everything. I'll try to do that. I'll quickly show you the software. There are lots and lots of such softwares available. No camera, no crew, no problem. See. Now companies are using this tool. Like there are more tools like this, and now into e-learning also people have started using this. Yeah, see. So what you can do is you can create a spokesperson like this. Okay. I have created my own. See, I have created my own avatar, and I also created a video. I don't know whether it will be possible to play or not. Let me see.
Hi. Welcome to Shoolini University, Center for Distance and Online Education.
So from an image, you can animate an image and convert into an avatar. So this was just an image. You can record and create your own avatar. And secondly, you can use the video templates available, and you can integrate a cloned voice in it, and you can generate and in your own voice and your own avatar, and then you can place PPTs and all. Obviously, these technologies are expensive right now, but for a company, it won't be that expensive. Okay. So like you can see this example.
Keep your glow on with a lightweight, hydrating glowy makeup serum and glass skin primer that keeps oil in check for visible.
And it is available in so many languages. In Hindi also, you can convert it into whatever language you want. So people are using this tool to create a lot of stuff. And in fact, there is a new craze going on around the internet, cloning the voice of your singers and creating a song. So I am also experimenting with it. So I think next session, probably I would be able to show you my creation. So that's also a thing which is going on. And, you know, companies, the music companies banned a similar song which were released over the internet. So I read an article, instead of banning, the companies like, you know, Saregama in India and Sony and Universal Music, so they can use the copyright. They had the right over the voice of, suppose, Elvis Presley or some other singer like Kishore Kumar in India. So they can create their own music in their voice by having the copyright and using AI. So that can be a use. You can revive us, or you know, an old singer using this technology, right? So this is a small example. So now let me go back to my screen. Where is it? Yeah, just a second. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Yes, I'm there. Okay. Just a second. Share screen. Microsoft Edge. Yeah, I think my screen is visible now, I guess. Okay, so let's move to नहीं, एक चीज और मुझे पहले शो करनी है आपको. Where is Discord? चलो Discord पे चलते हैं. So this is Discord. So I'll show you my creation and then I'll move to quickly. अब इतना कुछ है नहीं, time नहीं है, but I'll just show you what I have created. Then you can create that too by using this tool. It is paid, obviously. It is, I think, $8 a month. So I have purchased the subscription. So this I have created. I'll show you some creations of mine, how I have created, क्या prompt देना है आपको, और आप ये देख सकते हो. I'll go back. See. Okay, I'll go back. Okay. So see, an AI bot writing resume on laptop, shot with Canon A7 in 4K aspect ratio. So see, 16:9 version of Midjourney, this one. So I just described this and the image was created. You want to create a Pixar like image, you want to create an illustration. See, you want to create an illustration like some famous painter. You can type the name and it will make in that. See, this is an example what we did. We needed an image of a student फॉर आर वन ऑफ आर क्रिएटिव, हमें एक क्रिएटिव बनाना था और उसको इमीडिएटली खुद ही करना था, हमें कहीं पे देना था खुद ही किसी को। तो इमीडिएटली मैंने क्या किया कि आई ओपनड इट, आई रोट a male Indian student, fair complexion, standing in formal dress outside a corporate office, shot with Canon this camera f2.8। थोड़ा सा गूगल करो ना, आपको पता लग जाएगा कि f2.8 और ये क्या चीज है, व्हाट इज अपर्चर। अपर्चर की वजह से बैकग्राउंड का जो ब्लर आता है वो इसकी वजह से आता है। आप नेट पे गूगल करो, आपको पता लग जाएगा ऐसी इमेज किस तरह से आएगी। तो यू जस्ट डिस्क्राइब वो कैसी इमेज चाहिए, एंड वी गॉट दिस। और इनमें से हमने फर्स्ट वाली फोटो यूज की है, and this doesn't have any copyright. Is images generated by this thing don't have copyright. Okay, so this is one use case. See, we use this in marketing. This is one of the use cases in marketing. You can use this. So I generated this again. So a young girl eating burger on hilltop, setting sun, ultra realistic. See, I explained. So this is mid journey. So I'll show you now next level transformation going on in the field of text to images. Now you have heard text to images. Now I'll show you something else. Create / create a man walking, walking on a wet road in an abandoned, spelling क्या होते हैं abandoned के, ABAND, abandoned. Second thing I would like to tell you is this thing has been trained upon correct language. Okay, जो chat GPT है वो language correct पे train किया गया है, तो you have to give correct, grammatically correct, थोड़ा बहुत correction कर देता है वो prompts, ठीक है। ultra realistic, let us see what happens. मेरा prompt कहाँ गया? This is my prompt. Yeah. So what is happening is now the next level technology is text to video. अब मैंने जो text दिया है इसके base पे I will get a 3-4 seconds video done. People are creating videos in this, and currently it is free. Because they need your data, they need everything what you do, they need to get their bot trained. तो शुरू में सब free रखते हैं. So it is free, so just jump in and start creating. There is a method wherein you can create consistent characters. जैसे एक character बनाया, so it is eating burger, the same character is going out, the same character is doing something else. So पूरी एक story line की आप videos बना सकते हो 3 second की, कि you people are making full movies out of it. And there are another paid softwares as well. Okay. See, just look at this. This is another, man walking on the street. See? Look at this. So people are creating a lot of stuff. They are creating videos based upon the images. Sorry, you can attach an image and animate the image. Image के base पे भी you can create a video. So it takes time actually. So let us बन गया शायद, या ये बना मेरा. See, it's not that very good, but it's not bad either, right? The man walking on a wet road in an abandoned street. So see, people are creating this. What they did, they added an attachment, एक image upload की, then they gave a prompt, and then that image got, see, people are generating this. So the people are generating such kind of images using AI. So so I'll just stop this here and I'll go back to my screen to show you the other things of ChatGPT. Let's go straight to ChatGPT now without any delay, because a lot to be shown over there. Okay. So हाँ, मुझे क्वेश्चन मिला था कि there are so many versions of ChatGPT, what to use. So please understand there is only one site. This is by OpenAI, and if you have to go to chat.openai.com. You have to type in the this task window chat.openai.com, and when you type it, you'll get a option to create an account. अब मेरा तो already account है, तो logged in है, या तो मैं आपको log out करके बताता हूँ. Let me see. Log out. Let me start from this scratch. Host tab. Okay. I'll start from scratch. See, if you write chat.openai.com, so you will get into this page where you have to sign up. I already have an account, so मुझे sign up की जरूरत नहीं है. I will just log in using my account. Oh, just a second. Two-step verification is on. I have to enter it again. You have to keep your account secured. Eight 18960. So here we are into ChatGPT, and if you go to your iPhone iOS store or Play Store, ChatGPT app has been released, and it should be by OpenAI. It is free. Do not install other apps. There are so many apps, but you have to note down the company's name, that is OpenAI. For all, this is for those who don't know, right? So when you get into ChatGPT, you will get an option ChatGPT 3.5, but I have purchased one, so that's why my default is GPT-4. Okay, so let us start by showing you the examples which I want to show. First example I wanted to show, it's not ChatGPT, but it is another website. So I'll show you the site. Another AI, generative AI site which uses power of ChatGPT as well as Midjourney. So this is called 10web.ai. So अब इसमें क्या करना है, इसका पहले मैं log out. You have to create an account. So you can generate websites in minutes. Okay. So let me create an account here using your email ID. So let me see if it can create more sites, or I'll create another account. So this is very interesting. Okay, so I'll go to create a, I think exhaust ho gaya, free version. Okay, no issues. I'll do sign out. So I'll create another account. So just give me a minute. I'll take a Just give me a minute. Login or sign in. Okay, create an account. Email ID. Password. Create a new login. Save. Get started for free. Okay, so when you get in, so it will ask certain questions. I'll show you digital agency, freelance website. What do it best describes you? तो कुछ भी कर दो आप digital agency. How many websites you manage? 1, 2, 3. Then what you can do is create a new website, migrate or convert a website to WordPress. So what I'll do is I'll click create a new website with AI. Okay. Search for the business or site type. Okay, so site type, I'll say it is software. Pick something. University, kindergarten, technology company. That's it. Yeah. Next. Now enter your company name. Let's enter some name, TechZ. Okay. So what is our company? Now we have to describe what our company is and it is about. So example is given, a mobile app that is designed to enhance students to allow track their energy consumption. And so let us type something wild, something imaginary. An AI app that creates, okay, writing से related है ना? Okay, चलो, writes full length fictional novels along with its ready to, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, depute ready to deploy ebook formats. Let us see इसमें क्या आता है, और enhance with AI. So description is getting enhanced with AI. Okay, our technology company offers an innovating AI that empowers aspiring authors to write full-length fictional novels with ease. With its ready-to-deploy ebook format, publishing, sharing, chalo, blah blah blah. Next, चलिए. Okay, अपने आप आ गए हैं. Feature 1, Feature 2, Feature 3. Finalize. Informal tone. Okay, now let us wait for a minute. Finally, we'll go to ChatGPT after this. So your website is being created. Just wait for a minute or so. Okay, let it create. Let us then side by side open chat GPT. जब तक ये कर रहा है create. So this is the interface of chat GPT. So you will go by default to GPT 3.5. If you are a paid subscriber, you have to pay 20 plus GST, $23 a month. And if you go to the, you'll get the plugins here. A whole lot of things are possible in GPT. If you are serious about AI, using generative AI, so there are a lot of plugins which can browse internet, which can do many things, which chat GPT 3.5, as ma'am said, that knowledge is pretty cutoff date is 2021. So here you can find, I'll show you the free versions also, where you can get all the things, all the information you want. So you can use these plugins, and there are a lot of plugins, and this I'll show you the popular ones. So this is ask your PDF, upload a PDF, and ask any question. So I uploaded a paper, research paper, and asked the questions. What is this all about? Tell me the brief of each section. Now tell me the research gaps. Now what can be done in this? So likewise, you can do diagrams. You just paste a textual data, it will convert into tabular form, and then table can be converted into pie chart, graphs, everything which you need. Okay, graphically you can represent. So such things are there in GPT 3.5. So by default, let me see whether it has created or not. Yes, created. Let us preview. Okay, let us see what website it has created. So you can change the color palette from here. So this is your website, home, services, about, contact page. So if we go down, view all services, see, featured in all services, happy customers. See, these are the services. Unleash your authorial potential with ease. Looking to publish your own ebook or service, make it easy and hassle-free. You can share. Unleash your inner author with us. AI writing. Get engaging and personalized contents effortlessly. Unleash your inner author with AI. Captivating story. See, all services. So click on read more. So see, it has the description. Amazingly, it have the key point: tailor AI generated content, expert guidance, customized fictional writing, testimonial, fictional testimonial is also there. Subscribe via social media pages. Then you can go to about section. So it will give you a fictional name of people who have started this company. So now what you can do is you can easily edit this. You can see the mobile version also. Now you can easily edit and deploy using their own. This is easily shareable link, but you have to then purchase their monthly plan. Suppose you are starting a business or small thing, you want a website immediately, you create, you edit using their drag and drop tools, and you just deploy. आपको WordPress भी नहीं करना है, तो बस ये सीख लो. So these are such tools which are generative AI based. Okay, so this was 10 web. Let us go to chat GPT now. So I'll take an example. So I'll go to LinkedIn. Just a second. LinkedIn. I want to show you an example how to use ChatGPT for a particular use case. Okay. Data scientists. So I'll search for data scientist jobs. Subject matter expert, data science, lead data scientist. So let us open this. Okay. So this is the job description. What I'll do is I'll copy this JD. I will give you a JD for a data SCIENTIST, post, analyze or read it, then I will paste a profile of an applicant. Let us see what happens. So this is hit and trial, everything in ChatGPT. Sometimes it will show you, it seems you have provided a detailed JD of a position of lead data scientist. This role is highly demanding and the candidate is expected. You can proceed to provide the profile of the applicant you want me to evaluate. Now I will provide the profile of an applicant. तो ऐसे मैंने नेट से ही उठाया है कोई profile. So let us copy this and paste the profile here. Enter, sorry, enter. Based upon the resume you have provided, let's evaluate the applicant. MJ fits the role of lead data scientist. Pros: his education, master degrees with 4 CGPA, strong point, though the job description typically requires PhD. Okay. Data visualization, applicant has substantial experience with various data visualization tools, Power BI, Tableau. Professional experience, Michael's role at Microsoft, SpaceX and Acme Digital. Awards and recognition. Cons: lack of specific data skills, jo BIS, stats and all. Industry experience, preferred experience in retail. Project management leadership role, JD requires a robust project management skills and an ability to lead the mentor team of data scientists. Conclusion: MJ's background in data visualization analytics make him strong candidate. However, the apparent lack of experience with machine learning, generative AI technology requires skill work. For this role, it might be beneficial, Mike, to expand the experience. Can you rewrite the resume based upon this job? So now, based upon the job description, I am creating my resume, not mine. Means the resume data, whatever I have given, I asked, analyzed, and now see, imagine you are an HR manager. So आपके पास बहुत सारे resume आ गए. So you can shortlist, you can rank the resumes, you can pick the candidate, screen out initially. Now based upon this, there are so many other AI tools which can help you directly. But ChatGPT is free, तो free में कर सकते हो आप, right? वो पेड टूल्स यूज करना है, इसमें आपको प्रॉम्प्टिंग सीखनी है. यू शुड नो हाउ टू गिव गुड प्रॉम्प्ट्स. सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ यूज केस ऑफ चैट जीपीटी इन योर एचआर. सो देखो, स्किल्स, सारे स्किल मेंशन हो गए, सब कुछ मेंशन हो गया. सो राइट, सो अब मैं इसमें एक चीज और करता हूं. कैन यू ऐड माय स्किल्स एंड मेक द अचीवमेंट ऑफ दीज साउंड्स मोर स्मार्टर. सी, आई विल ऐड अ क्वेश्चन हियर. Can you add more skills and make the achievement at these past roles smarter? And also, could you add more information or background? And I have Amazon AWS cloud certification. Certainly, the revised resume with more detailed education section inclusion of Amazon is here. That matches your description of previous achievement of previous roles. पहले क्या किया था देखो इसने. स्किल्स में ये लिखा है, विजुअलाइजेशन, मशीन लर्निंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, प्रिंसिपल डेटा साइंटिस्ट, लीड आर्किटेक्ट. नाउ it is changing the skill set. See, now it is tailoring the answer based on the prompt I have given. Change the prompt, right? Then Can you provide me an about me statement? So a lot of changes you can do. See, so again, I'll just paste another prompt. I'll show you the prompt, then let's just move ahead. Can you provide a regenerate? So it happens sometimes. So here at the left is your history. And please, I would like to make you aware that OpenAI is recording your data. आप जो भी information feed कर रहे हो, तो that information, they say that our scientists or people check this information for review purpose. तो obviously अगर AI model है, इसके पीछे super computer आपकी ये आपको दे रहे हैं facility, so they need your data and they check. इसमें एक option आता है thumbs up और thumbs down का, जब भी answer आता है ना C, so you should give thumbs up or thumbs down. इससे क्या होता है, train होता है कि this is good or bad response. Okay, so likewise अगर आपको अपना डेटा रिमूव कराना है तो आप ईमेल भेज सकते हो इनको फॉर्म भर के. अदरवाइज देयर इज एन ऑप्शन टू स्विच ऑफ द हिस्ट्री, तो उसमें सेव नहीं होगी आपकी चैट. You can use at that one session, maybe you can take screenshot or there are software to save the separately the chat, and it will get deleted after 30 days, I guess so. Okay, so let me see it works or not. Sometimes it does. Okay, can you add more skills, make my achievement at these past rows smarter? अच्छा ये तो हो गया मेरा ना, नहीं, okay ये हो गया. So I was giving some another prompt. Can you provide a about me statement that provides a message that I am driven professional who is constantly learning and trying to make my company success? One message at a time. Okay, so it happens sometimes that when you give too many prompts one after the other, so this thing happens. So you can also, you know, edit the previous prompts given. Oh, I copied something else. Okay. And ChatGPT 4 has 50 messages per 3 hours. So, okay, about me statement of that conveys your drive to commitment. I am a result-driven professional with relentless pursuit of excellence, both in personal growth and contributing to my organization's success, committed to continuous learning and evolving. I leverage my skills and experience to drive innovation on the bottom line, impact on the C. So this is it. So you can you help me write an email to all the company employees reminding that they need to update their talent? If you're a hiring manager, you can use other tools also. Okay, so this is for HR. Let us stop it here, and now let me go ahead. A quick note to the people जो बोलते हैं कि 2021 तक है, तो इसमें कुछ extensions use करके ये इसकी extend की जा सकती है, but you can go to Bing, Microsoft Edge खोलो और आपके Edge में login कर लो using your Outlook account and click on this B icon. ये B icon पे click करो और यहाँ पे लिखो New Bing. So the new Bing is ChatGPT 3.5 or 4 based because it was Microsoft has invested in it. So यहाँ पे आपकी chat window, जब भी आप Edge में, whenever you search in the Edge browser, Edge में I want to search something, what is, or suppose what, okay, compare the okay, I'll show you the search bar of Bing. Give me a minute. Just give me a minute. हाँ, ये search में ही click करेंगे हम. We'll click here. We'll write compare the population of India versus Canada in 2023. तो normal search की है. So normal search में you get some websites like this. But now what happens in Bing search? So in Bing search, you get an option called chat here. यहाँ पे chat पे आप click करो. So now it has gone to Microsoft. What do you call Bing? Okay. So ये जो मेरा क्वेश्चन था, अगर मैं ऐसे स्क्रॉल करूं ऊपर, तो ये क्वेश्चन अब चैट जीपीटी जो है वो आंसर करेगा. Comparing the population of India versus Canada in 2023. Now this question is being answered by ChatGPT. According to the latest UN data estimated, it is this people estimated in Canada is this much, and so ये आपको पूरी जो डेटा दे रहा है और साथ में आपको सोर्सेज भी दे रहा है. See, these are the sources. Okay, so now it is not copying it from anywhere. ये डेटा आपका generate, it is generating it is writing the article for you. Basically this article is being written for you. Okay, so this is, you can use free, and you can use generate it, you can use to summarize, you can use to compare, you can use anything, write a joke, create a slogan, you can do everything what ChatGPT, but this is chatbot based and it generates a limited information. Then you have to again ask the questions, further questions, right? So this is, you can use freely to immediately get a relevant and latest information. So you can get it from Bing Chat. So उसके लिए Bing Chat, Microsoft Edge, which is Chromium based, you use this and you'll get the latest version of this thing, Bing Chat. So let me now go to Chat GPT again. Now I'll start an example of, how many of you know copywriting and marketing out of the audience? How many of you are okay? Okay. Limited knowledge, yes, no. So I'll take an example of, I don't know how much I would be able to cover. So using generative AI, specifically Chat GPT for your marketing and copywriting. So मैंने एक ऐसा example लिख के रखा हुआ है, तो मैं अब आपसे share करूंगा. So मेरे पास एक product है, उसकी description है, ठीक है? So let me just start a new chat. तो मैंने वो डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको पढ़ा देता हूं और मैं आई विल देन how to hide this, how to hide this meeting chat. Okay, I'll paste this description here. So see, product name, serve side, okay, video doorbell, $39. description है, it's a smart doorbell that records audio video for outside home, everything, benefits. Now I will write, अब मुझे कोई product launch करना है, I just know the name और मुझे चाहिए कि उसकी what do you call, ये पूरी description I want, product name, quality, description and features. So I'll create a fictitious one using the same. So above given is the name, above given is the name, pricing. So you have to above given is the name, price and sorry, description and what else it is given, key features, key benefits of a product, product called, copy कर लेते हैं यहाँ से, serve side video doorbell, whatever it is, command C, called P. Okay, create a similar create similar details, simply लिखेंगे हम create similar details of a product which is high speed charge. High speed, ये मैं सर्च कर रहा था कुछ दिन पहले actually. So power, and I found couple of them. Bank for what do you call MacBook. Okay, so which is high speed power bank for MacBook. Also, you can suggest a better name. Enter. Let us see what happens. So here are the details of the product called Thunder Charged High Speed Power Bank for MacBook. So name देखो, Thunder Charged. Product price $59. Thunder Charged High Speed Power Bank is the perfect charging solution for MacBook users on the go, built with cutting-edge fast technology. This power bank delivers efficient charging to MacBook, ensuring you never run out of battery. It's a sleek, slim design that makes it easy to carry substantial capacity, and Thunder Charge is compatible with MacBook models and blah blah. Benefits आगे बहुत सारे और सारे सही हैं बिल्कुल. I use this. I know that power delivery, you can see everything is very good. So it is ready to use. बन गया. अब शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी copy writing. Okay. So now I'll enter a prompt. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I am selling the product. A product का नाम क्या है मेरे? अब मैं डालता हूँ नाम Thunder Charge for MacBook. If I say give me a shorter name, तो shorter name भी मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? Okay. I am selling the. ठीक है. Description. If you just say description, तब भी चलेगा. अगर फिलहाल हम copy paste कर लेते हैं for once. Enter the description here. मैं यहाँ पे description paste कर देता हूँ. Okay. Okay, just read this. I am selling Thunderbolt Charge Power Bank with the product description. Thunder Charge is the description आ गई. Then with our intelligent, who is most likely to be interested in purchasing this? Who is my target market? Create a customer persona for this product. Enter. I am creating a customer persona and a target market. So ये हमारा हो गया कस्टमर पर्सोना. Okay. So C persona is tech savvy Terry, 25 to 45, unisex, applicable to men and women, professionals in field of technology, business, design, education, freelancers. Absolutely, ये सब लोग हैं जो Mac use करते हैं. Upper to middle class income level, obviously upper, middle to upper. Yes, absolutely correct, because of the price point. Urban and suburban location found in cities where actually right. Urban cities में ही आपको मिलेगा लोग MacBook users ज़्यादा मिलेंगे. Education likely to have college degree, likely. Okay, people are now, but the content creators भी use कर रहे हैं तो likely to have college. Lifestyle, often on the move either for work or leisure, reliant on technology and their smart devices, value efficient productivity, multitasking, enjoy gadgets. तो मेरे को fit हो रही है. This पूरी persona is fitting me. Everything is being of my made age also, everything, right? Then needs and pain points, requires constant access to devices for work and personal use. Correct. Often struggles with battery life. Okay, M1 Max battery life is very good, but still चलो पिछले वाले की नहीं थी. So needs a versatile charging solution that is postable. So psychographics, open to innovation, new technological solution, likely to be an early adopter. Shopping behavior, likes to research products online, reads reviews, compares specifications, responsive to targeted marketed. So summary, Thundercharged is most likely to attract individuals who are heavy reliant on tech devices, especially MacBooks, people who are efficiency, quality, and innovation. They need a dependable, high-speed charging solution. So see, this is a customer persona and a target market based upon this, right? So let us move ahead to the next part of this. Okay. Just give me 1 second. अब हम पेस्ट करते हैं इसमें. Let us paste. Using the above information for my product and my customer persona, suggest a 200-page landing page copy which will sell my product to new product. उसको पता ही है actually, it remembers the previous wo. So let us not again write. Let us see what happens. Set my product to new prospects. I want to put major focus on. देखो अब मेरा focus क्या है? What is my focus on? Laptop, MacBook, charging on the go. यही मेरा focus है product बेचने का मेरा. High speed is also my focus. High speed MacBook charging on the go. The copy should convince the prospects to purchase my product. Let us see what happens. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Introducing Thundercharge, the ultimate companion for your high-speed MacBook charging on the go. Never let your MacBook slow down again, whether you are a busy professional, creative freelancer, or on-the-go enthusiast. Designed specifically for you with cutting-edge fast technology, sleek design, Thundercharge substantial capacity offers multiple charges. Safeties are priority. Embrace the tech future. Don't let your dead battery hold you back. Stay charged, stay connected, elevate your productivity with this. Click here to experience your freedom. Okay, so now you can edit it. ठीक है, then इसमें मैं डाल सकता हूँ एक prompt और I'll add another prompt. Okay, suggest headers for each of these paragraphs that are selling points for my product. You can write the name of the product also. I want each heading to encourage people to purchase, make selling points irresistible to my prospects. Chalo, देखो अब क्या heading, what headings it will give. Unleash unstoppable productivity, high speed charging anywhere, anytime, multi-charge capacity, fuel your MacBook and more on the go, uncompromised safety. Invest in future, eco-friendly design meets cutting-edge technology. Seize the day with turbocharge. So these are the headers to spotlight the USPs of your product, right? Now let us go to another prompt. Paste. So my तो एक बार अब हम इसका नाम लिख ही देते हैं दोबारा से. Where is the name? Thundercharge high speed power bank for MacBook. My product या keyword, command V, and all customers, and should sell customer on the benefits of. Okay. You are an expert copywriter who is expert in writing Google ad headlines. You speak English, you speak in active voice, use information to write 30 unique Google ad headlines and 30 characters, less including spaces. Spaces in the headlines count as characters. Headlines should encourage people to purchase Thundercharge. And it should sell customers on the benefits of this. Chalo, let enter. ज़्यादा नहीं time waste करते. Let's quickly 30 character headlines. Charge fast with us. MacBook best friend. Power on the go. Never lose charge. So 30 characters. See, headlines are there. Okay. Now, ऐसे ही आप फेसबुक एड्स के लिए 125 कैरेक्टर्स के लिए बना सकते हो. नेक्स्ट यू कैन राइट आई एम रनिंग अ प्रमोशनल एड. प्रमोशनल एड के लिए क्या करना है मेरे को, कमांड ये अब देखो, प्रमोशनल एड 10% ऑफ फॉर 3 days. प्रोडक्ट नेम की वैसे यू डोंट नीड, बट बिकॉज इट रिमेंबर्स, बट लेट अस here. Okay, for MacBook that ends on, तो लगा लो 10, 11, 12, 12th August. Okay. I am running out of inventory. You are an expert copywriter, writing Facebook, you speak English. Spaces, primary text should encourage people to purchase my product. चलो product का नाम दोबारा से लिख देते हैं, ठीक है, my product. For MacBook, and it should create urgency. Sorry, it should create urgency. See, it should create urgency for the customer, highlight the scarcity, push people to purchase before the sale ends. मेरे को copywriting नहीं भी आती, तो I am now interested in this. So copywriters की जॉब जाने तो नहीं वाली, पर काम बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा, easy. 10% off Thunder charge. Hurry, stocks running low. Ends August 12th. Fast charge your MacBook. 3 days only. Limited stock. Grab Thunder charge now. कितना दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है अगर इतनी सारी हेडिंग सोचनी पड़ती है हमें. Power of MacBook 10% charge. Hurry, sale and soon. See, so you are getting this thing. So let us now go to very important aspect of copywriting and marketing. Okay. Okay. So let me now I'll copy the name, paste here. Okay. With subject line of write accompanying, हाँ, subject line, यही subject line दे देते हैं ना, 10% off इनमें से buy now. This is our subject line. Command V. The description of the product. Description MacBook. The description of the product is, so I'll copy the description again. Sorry, मेरी वाली description कहाँ है? Here it is. If you want features also, you can copy. Obviously, description में ही आ गया. Command C. Let's see. So Chat GPT 3.5, I think, can take 3,000 characters and 4,000, and I think GPT-4 can take 25,000. So see, the thing is, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा prompt होगा, तो आप there are limited characters. Suppose input plus output मिला के there are 5,000 free characters. So अगर आप 2,000 में if you give the question, so remaining you will have only 1,000. So your prompt should be short, precise, and it should be able to, convey your message. Basically, in ChatGPT or other language models, trash in, trash out. जो आप बोलोगे, input करोगे, वैसे ही आपको answer मिलेगा. So let us see क्या मिला है मुझे answer. So below is the email.
Professor Amar, sorry, just a reminder, we need to close at 8:30, so we have 2 minutes left.
Okay, so that's it. Then let us stop here. I'll just read.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
I'm sorry, but I think some of the members who have messaged me that we need to go at 8:30, and we'd love the sir to conclude.
Okay, so see, this is the last part of it. So you have got the email copy. You can write series of emails. So the thing which I covered today is how to use it for HR, how to use it for this thing. You saw that. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Professor Amar. I mean, already in our WhatsApp group, we can see people are messaging that they loved your session. They especially appreciate your passion for the subject. As you said in the earlier remarks, that you are not an expert on AI. You are a mechanical engineer and a faculty of mechanical engineering. I went through your profile also, but to have that clarity and have that passion for this subject is amazing. I'd like to also invite my co-founder Bhakti for the vote of thanks. Bhakti.
Thank you. Vote of thanks sounds very annual day-ish, but thank you, Mr. Amar Singh, for a wonderful session, Professor. And we heard you at Shoolini, and I think this was, an extension and even more in depth. I think Zoom is conducive to conversations like this, and we really, I think AI and ChatGPT and OpenAI, and you taking us through Mid-Journey and so many tools is really going to make our lives easier. And it, I think, tells us all that this is not for a certain type of profession or professionals. This is for everyone, and it is only as good as you make an effort for it to be. So the output is a result of the input. And that's the bottom line. I think that's the case with anything in life. And it can be applied to ChatGPT and OpenAI as well. So thank you. We're getting a lot of comments on WhatsApp. Really appreciating your session. It was, somebody has said that this is the best session they've ever attended in TOC. Not making this up. They are all here on this group. They know what I'm talking about. So thank you, sir, for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me here. Thanks.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you, TOCians, for
and we hope to see you soon.
Yeah, thank you.